We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around today. Going to be checking out a couple of cars. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Hustle Nation. I don't know what y'all doing. I don't know what y'all waiting on. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars, man. I'm showing y'all how to pick out good cars from the auction. Y'all seen what I did with the Dodge Ram. As a matter of fact, I'm driving a Dodge Ram today. So if you don't want to be on the side of the road once you buy a car, make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. I'm showing y'all how to pick out good cars. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. But before we get right into it, can we get this video? Can y'all make sure y'all like this video? Let's try to get this video to about 500 likes. I greatly appreciate it, Hustle Nation. Let's get right into it though. So y'all remember this? This was here last time, but I don't think that it has a key. But this car is clean though. This Altima. Now y'all know I don't really like the Altimas because of the CVT transmissions, but this boy is super clean. We got the Mustang right here too. I'll show y'all the Mustang, even though I'm not. Oh well, y'all probably don't even want to see this. The Mustang busted out here, messed up all right here. This Mustang is total. Y'all probably don't even want to see the Mustang. This is the good side of the Mustang, y'all, right here. TSW wheels. Guess we can look at it real quick. Stick shift for y'all. See the glass in the back and everything. But all right, back to the Altima, man. So this Altima, very clean condition. Y'all see the tires. If you can't see it, let me show y'all. Look at them tires. Tires look super clean. But I don't think it got no key to it. The key's still not here, huh? Nope. No key, nowhere in sight. Got the Pioneer. So, I mean, you make sure it's not in here or anything. Yeah, ain't no key. Yeah. Glove box, maybe, no. All right, so there's no key for the Altima, which sucks. But this Altima sure looks clean, y'all. What do y'all think about buying cars with no key? Y'all let me know in the comments below. It's not my thing though, but this Altima was looking real nice. But let's go ahead and see if we can find our other car real quick. They didn't have a lot on the list today, but I decided to come out anyway. You never know. You can always luck up, y'all. But I didn't see too much on the list. There go that Mazda we checked out. That boy's still here. Let's see. Where's our whips, man? We always gotta I'll be walking at Copart, man. Hard to find the wheels. I don't see nothing over here, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and have to cut because I don't see nothing over here. Cut. All right, we got the Magnum here, but I just thought about it. I think I looked at this Magnum last time I was here. So like I said, it probably ain't gonna be no good selection today, but I still wanted to come out check anyway. You never know. I check this out. Oh shit! I check this out. This Magnum looks straight, bro. I don't know. Did I check out the Magnum or not? It looks pretty clean in here though. I don't remember it being this clean, so maybe I didn't check it out. Let's go ahead and see if it'll crank up for us. 183,000 miles on the Magnum. Yeah, I don't think I cranked this up. And it doesn't crank up. Let's look up under the hood real quick. See what we're looking like before we start grabbing jump boxes and all of that. Before we start grabbing jump. Oh, this boy is completely tore apart. Belt's gone, crank pulley's gone, everything is gone. Yeah, no. Definitely don't want that, Hustle Nation. We ain't trying to do no work. This car is still on there. This car been on here for like a couple of weeks, I think. I think this car messed up though. Yeah. Y'all remember this, right? This car's still here, man. Still here, man. See what else we can find over here. This Toyota. Yeah, this Toyota was trashed. Look at this Acura here. I don't remember seeing this Acura on my list. Let's make sure I ain't got no damage on. I remember seeing this on my list, y'all. Scratched up there. Yeah, I don't think this one is 89,000 miles on this one. What we got here? All wheel locks, some makeup and stuff. Let's see if it's gonna crank up for me. Gonna crank up for me? Nope, it's not. Let's check. Pop the hood. Pop the hood on this joint right here. Same motor that's in the Honda Accord that I like. 4-cylinder motor. Looks alright though. We may have to crank this one up. I gotta see if this one got a clear title though. Might have to crank this one up. Yeah, we probably gonna crank this one up. So give me a second, Hustle Nation. Let me see what this car is looking like real quick. All right, and that's weird. This car is not even on the list at all. I don't see it at all, so I don't know what's going on with it. It's weird. I see that one though, but I don't see this one. Speaking of that one, let's go walk over here because I want to check out this Armada. No, not Armada, Murano. I think that's what these are called. Had one of these before. Definitely the CVT trainees. Let's see what we got here. Murano. The body looks decent. All-wheel drive on this joint. Good tires. 144,000 miles. Looks pretty clean here. Let's see. Damn, nothing be cranking up over here, yo. Nothing be cranking up. What's wrong with these people, man? Got all these cars dead, man. Motor looks good though. Might give this one a shot. Let me see something. Yeah, I gotta look on my phone. All right, let's check this Acura out though. This Acura got some pieces and stuff in it though. Y'all like this Acura right here? Side, gone, bottom piece. Oh yeah, this one is. Yeah, this one is salvage. Got it right here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Damn, I might have to crank that Murano. Yeah, this piece. That's got a piece right there. And they were nasty, disgusting. All right, Hustle Nation, let me walk over here, walk this line, and see if I can find something. I ain't really found nothing too good today. I'm looking for I gotta look on my phone. Looking for might be a Highlander. Let me check my phone real quick. I'll be right back with y'all in a second. Cut. All right, next up, let's look at the Jeep. Damn, 287 on the miles though. This one is, look at the seat. We don't want this one to watch this one crank up. No, yes, no, it don't. But y'all see the seat all messed up. Dirty. Dirty, wordy. Yeah. All right, so let's look back here and make sure our car isn't back here. Y'all remember this joint right here with the wheels on it? Yeah. This Silverado right here, still right here. All right. Man, telling you, I'll be walking like back and forth sometimes, trying to find these whips, man. Y'all remember the Mazda right here? Remember the Mazda? We didn't want the Mazda. And there's the Highlander. Is that the Highlander right there? Highlander got some damage on it. Let me see. This might be it though. No, it wasn't this color. All right, so I'm gonna have to go see if we can find the Highlander, see if they can bring it out to me, because I don't see it. So, or they can tell me where it's at. Or a charger right there for y'all. Yeah, it was like it's supposed to be like orange. I mean green. Check this Challenger out for y'all. Y'all Challenger heads. Y'all Mopar heads. It's just a regular joint. Got leather though. Man, it had 2 car seats in it, man. Hope the baby's alright. Hope everybody alright. Sound like it's gonna crank too. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. That joint crank right up. It ain't the V8 or nothing. Got 1,200 miles on it, 12,000 miles on it. Ain't the V8, but it got that leather, which is nice. That joint ain't gonna even open up for us. Yeah, 3.6 V6. Oh man, I didn't even see all this damage, y'all. Damn. Yeah, man. Hopefully everybody was all right in that joint. See the car seats in there. Got the Porsche right here. 48,000 miles on the Porsche. Got them big beefy wheels on there. Yeah, Porsche looking nice. It's got like grayish interior. Pretty decent. Platinum edition, it say. Platinum edition, it say. Got all the gadgets and components and everything. But alright, that's enough messing around. Let's see if we can find this Highlander, y'all. Y'all know we not buying no Porsche, we buying cheap stuff. So now I gotta walk up here and see if they can point me to the Highlander. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Alright, bringing the Highlander out for ya boy. Let's see what we got right here. Set that thing down anywhere, I appreciate it. Went through all these hoops for this Highlander, and this boy got, I don't know, this boy got 280 on the miles, but we still want to check it out. Still want to check it out. The body style was looking super good in the camera. Not the body style, the body rather, not the body style. Good tires on that joint right there. Let's see what we got right here. Don't say. Alright, but it look good though, y'all gotta admit. Look straight. Got some paint fading over here. This side of the body is clean. Let's see if this joint crank up, man. Or we're gonna have to walk up there again and have it crank it for us. But check that interior out. Yep. Let's see if it crank. I like that. I like that it got cup holders right here too. That's what's up. right for the let's crank it up. I don't think this should got no power though. Okay, that key don't work. Let's try another one. Let's move the steering wheel. And of course, doesn't crank up. But let's see if the motor looking like, to see if it's even worthy of going to get a jump bikes. And ain't no battery in it or nothing. Got some oil buildup right there. I mean, with 280,000 miles, I mean, what did I expect? But I don't even want to crank this one, guys. Y'all see it? All the built up stuff right there. I don't even want to mess with it. But man, it's gonna be a wrap, guys, for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all share the video too. I greatly appreciate it. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. If you want to learn how to check out cars, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. I'm showing y'all how to check out good cars. Y'all remember when I bought that that Dodge, right? Y'all see that Dodge, don't y'all? Yeah, y'all see it. But shouts out to y'all, man. Make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. I'm showing y'all just how to pick out cars at wehustledaily.com. Y'all know, if y'all seen the video where I bought the Dodge from that Ram from Copart. It was my very first time buying a car from Copart. That boy riding. As y'all see, I'm still riding. I ain't did nothing to that truck. Make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.